Lot 320 is the crown jewel of the Dane Miller Estate Collection. This is the 1957 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster offered without reserve. It features a numbers-matching engine, chassis, and body per a copy of its factory data card. Was acquired by the Dane Miller Estate Collection 26 years ago at the annual Auburn Auction and Show. It's the first year of one of the most celebrated post-war era automobiles ever created, and these cars are highly drivable and eligible for exclusive events around the world.
Amazing car to drive, amazing, iconic styling. Help yourself on this beautiful car, and somebody give $1.5 million.
It really is beautiful, Elliot. One of the poster cars of the weekend here at Cruise Auctions, and I know you have a lot to say about it, but keep it brief.
I know, I got to keep it brief on this one. The 1957 Mercedes 300 SL Roadster, widely considered to be the world's first supercar. They're tube chassis, tubular frame monsters, race cars for the road, but this one's a convertible, certified blue chip collectible. Let's see what it goes for.
800, 800, now have on $850,000, $970,000. Put your hands together, Auburn. We're having some fun. $970,000, gonna be $970,000, $980,000, gonna be $980, and $980,000, $980. Just bid $1 million and knock them out. $1 million. Just bid $1 million.
Hey, we want $990.
$990, $1 million. It'd be $1 million. At $1 million. $1 million is bid. $1,000,001. It's an important car, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful one. $1 million is on the phone. $1,025,000, and I'm going to sell it, sir. $1,025,000, and I have sold.